we can open all our files very, very easy, even our Python files, just by making an HTML file, placing it in our script folder, and then referring to it with the script source. And then when you want to go to any of your scripts, you just hold down the control key on your keyboard and then left click to open the script. Go on the next one. So this is a little more flexible in that we can move around these in any way that we want without worrying about even the name of them, or in this case I just happen to have them in a numerical order. But of course, now once we have it open, so we hold down control and left click on the script, we can find out where this is by right clicking on the script up here and saying Reveal in File Explorer. That opens it up for us, shows us it's in this. And there we are. So now, when we look at the table of contents that they give us, right now we have a similar sequential order, of course, because we're using numbers. But the power of this method here is we can call this anything we want now, and move them any way that we want. We can place it where we want them to be logically. So I hope this helps you guys, and definitely have fun and happy scripting.